In DC is full of monuments, structure like this. Very beautiful, very neat and clean city. I think Trump has made it. Trump has ensured, administration ensured, the city looks one of the best city in the world to live. Washington DC has a very cool and safe vibe. You can see basically people are out enjoying in the sun. Everybody feels safe, and this is one area basically which is around 24/7 open. It's amazing, and you can see that in the lounge people have the chairs having sunbathing. This beautiful waterfall. Almost every square within few hundred meters you'll find this dustbins, and this actually really helps keep the city clean. This is also basically case in Portugal and Lisbon, but here also you can see that streets and everything so neat and clean, unlike in the New York. Guys, we are going towards the White House now. Some construction work is going on right now in White House. Behind this is the Washington Monument. When it was built in 1884, Washington Monument, it was the tallest building in the world. Still visible from most part of the Washington DC. Guys, this is the area, DuPont Circle, and this circle is open 24/7. This is the vibe of Washington DC in November, and this place is basically very near to the White House, and it's the city center, downtown Washington DC. Washington DC has a totally different vibe than rest of the cities in America. Of course, this is a seat of power, as you can see, just behind President Trump's office.